Here, I'll show you how to make passport size picture using Photoshop. First of all, open the image in your Photoshop and from tool panel, select the crop tool. Here, select this option and give here 1.5 inch and here 2 inch. Resolution give 200 pixel. And then you can just go ahead and crop your image just like this. Once you're happy, click on OK. And now zoom in your project and unlock the layer. Go to edit, click on stroke. And here I'm giving 2 pixel and selecting black color, clicking on OK. Now click on select all and press Ctrl C to copy your image. Now open a new file, select photo and select this document and click on create. Here we have to paste our passport size photo, so go to edit and click on paste. And now just position the image just like this and hold down the Alt key and drag to duplicate your image. That's how you can select and just duplicate your images. And now you can go ahead and print passport size photo on your Photoshop. Thanks for watching.